I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I do it all the time.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up, babe? Hope you click the subscribe button and join our growing family. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey my love, thank you so much for coming back to watch me. I'm at Burger King. I'm with my crew, and yeah, it's holiday season.
Mountain Dew give me your engine.
No, it's not a Mountain Dew, it's Pahorant. Yeah, I brought my crew out for lunch, and we all love Burger King, so it was very easy to choose a place. And yeah, start this vlog with me. Today is, guys, I'm wearing my crusty old wig. Remember that wig I told you guys, I tried to straighten it on one side and then it kind of puffed up, so I decided to cut it. And then my kids at school said it's giving Wednesday Addams vibes, because like I'd wear it like this. I only wear it once or twice, I think, and then I didn't wear it again. Yeah, anyway, it's gonna be my errand wig now when I'm lazy. Here's my niece, my brother.
Of course, we at Burger King, but you ain't heard of this.
Yeah. And my other brother, my little brother. Thanks. Where's the ice? Did you get ice?
No.
I said with ice.
The blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when you speak. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. And O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I find myself in the zone, getting nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the #1 topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were showing the stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy.
Everybody, today is Tuesday the 12th of December. I'm out shopping with my mom because she's going to Zanzibar in like 2 days. So yeah, just doing some last minute shopping. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm going to try my best to vlog today because yeah.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the big forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by.
Yo, guys, I want a Luella so bad. This is the one I really wanted. Oh, bigger yapum. It's like 900 rand. But I saw this other girl, I paid her, and the bottom was looking very snug. So I decided I don't, and she had this one. So I decided I don't want a big Luella anymore. So yeah. This is cute. But also big. I like this one too, but it's giving, what's this? Dior. I don't want like one that gives real designer. This is different. 550. But it looks like a cosmetic bag to me. I don't know. I'm so picky. Why?
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Young and naive to believe that with me.
Hey guys, so now we are at Parrots. We're going to have brunch and then we're gonna continue shopping because I'm hungry. It's very nice and chilled out here, very cool. Love this place, Gesana.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say yo, cause the girl I wanna meet up. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. I know you're trying to leave. You miss. I said I dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. You just one two step. Now with the music it's moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, it's something. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say yo, tell the girls I wanna meet up. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. I know you're trying to leave. You miss. I said I dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. You just one two step. Now with the music it's moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer.
What's up, ladies? Look what I have. Look what guys. Ah!
This can
Okay, I go to let least because why get this cam got us woolens next door to my ladies.
You can pair it.
Right, I'm going to pay. Hey guys, so we are finally back and yeah. It's so hot. Anyway, we are back and I just want to show you what I got today. I didn't get a lot of things, trust me. Didn't get a lot of things, but let me just show you. Okay, first things first, I got these but at Pep store because I am going to do some braids on my mom. I'm gonna plait my mom's hair today and she wanted box braids, so this is why I bought this. So this is from Pep stores. Everything in here is from Pep. Okay, then the next thing I got is this. This is mine. And then I got this. We were running out of this, so I just thought, let me buy it. This is also for my mom because, you know, she has gray hairs and she doesn't want her gray hairs to show on her braids. And then we both got these Bramley wipes. And then I also got tissue oil. And then these are my mom's. And then she got like a night dress, pajama thing. And she also got a face cloth. So yeah, that's everything we got from Pep stores. And then I also went to Mr. Price. So I also went to Mr. Price, but this is my mom's beach towel. Did I mention that my mom's going to Zanzibar in like 2 days? So yeah, we're just going for last minute shopping. So she needed a beach towel. She got this one from Pep stores as well. So beautiful, lovely quality. And I think it's like 90 rand, if I'm not mistaken. 90 rand. And then she also got this. She sweats a lot, so she loves to wipe herself off with these. And then she also got a shower cap. How cute is this? I also wanted the same one, but because we don't want to have the same color and I didn't like all the other colors, I didn't get mine. So she has a shower cap. And then she also got this from Pep. It's like sewing kit. And then I got a bonnet. Guys, I got a new bonnet because my niece is here for the holidays and she always wears my bonnet, and every time she wears my bonnet I don't have a bonnet. So I thought, to solve things, let me get myself another bonnet. I don't even know if I like this one, but just because it's pink and orange, I thought, yeah, let me get it because I want to avoid arguments. I've been telling her not to wear my bonnet, but yeah, I guess I did not win that battle, so this is how I decided to solve it. And then the next thing I got is this Scarlet Hill Perfect Part lip kit. So it's a liner and a matte red lip. I don't have a red lip anymore, so I didn't want to spend too much money. This was 50 bucks. Oh yes, the bonnet was also 50 bucks. And then shower cap also 50 bucks. And then what else? Oh yes, and my mom wanted like hair ties for her new braids. And then I got myself a Christmas dress. Guys, I got myself a dress for Christmas. This one is from, what you call it, Pick and Pay Clothing, and it was 260, and I got an extra large because I'm a chubby mommy like that. Guys, I can't wait to wear this dress. I honestly can't wait to wear this dress. This is my Christmas dress. At least can I get Christmas in my guys. Now Christmas. And yeah, that's it for today's haul. I'm so tired. I want to relax, maybe take a nap before I have to do my mom's hair, because that is gonna kill me more than today has. And the thing is, tomorrow we are going back to the mall again to buy like a few stuff. To end this vlog here because I want to start a new vlog from tomorrow, and I'm gonna shoot a video again, and I want to use some of the things I bought, so that's why I decided to show you guys right now and not, you know, delay it even further. But thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. I will see you in my next vlog, and I love you so much. Bye.